here we are children, we are doing construction and we have to construct a triangle ABC whose sides are AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 4 centimeter. So steps during the construction normally we write. What we do is always remember when there is a closed figure, always make a rough diagram. That you can make it here, a rough diagram. And in the rough diagram, what I do, I name A, B. Normally if 3 sides are given, I will take the larger side as a base normally, but you can take anybody as a base. Then AC is 4, I put the measurement, so from here I will be BC is 5 and AB is 6 centimeter, isn't it? So what I do, I take a scale, and normally my process is that I will make the line. I am using a pen now, you all will use the pencil. So 0 to 6, that should be the base, isn't it? 0 to 6 should be the base. So, and then I'll put few dots, so that because I need these two lengths later, 5 and 4, so I will take 5 here and 4 here and keep it for my purpose, but then I will join these. So I have got AB first, but see what intelligently you can do is you can mark these two lengths, you know, from here to here is 4 and from here to here is 5, you need these lengths. So now I have drawn AB. AB side is drawn. Now I will take AC as 4 I have to take, so I will put the compass here and the pencil here, and then I will make one great arc over here. That is, these all will be at distance 4 from A. Then I have to take from B, I have to take 5. So first I will measure 5. I have measured 5, then I have to go to B, and then all the distances which this tip will move from B will be at 5. So this point is common, which is at 4 from A because it lies on this curve, and it is at distance 5 from this curve because it lies on this curve. So now very simple thing, what I will do is I will join these lines. I am using pen because pen gives a darker image, but you all should always do it with your geometry boxes just for better visualization. So this is our required triangle. Alright, so this is the first thing you should learn. Alright, so now I'll put C over here. So ABC is our required triangle. Done. So this is the first question. So now I move to the next question. I remove this. Then next question is, now straight away let us go to our problems which we see is construct a quadrilateral. Construct a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral whose sides measure as, now I am giving the name of the quadrant, measure as AB is equal to 4, BC is equal to 5, CD is equal to 4.5, AD is equal to, let us put 3.5, and AC is equal to 5. So this is a quadrilateral case, isn't it? So what we do is we make the rough figure here, somewhere here. Steps of construction you know how to write, I have explained you in the previous video. So first step is actually you try to imagine this quadrilateral in a rough way. Now A, B, C, D. Now AB is 4, then BC is 5, then CD is 4.5, alright, AD is 3.5 and AC is 5 centimeters. So I can complete this triangle, isn't it? So first what I do, I take up a side 4 centimeter and I call it AB, 0 to 4. Then I take up this Now what I have to do is I have to also take the length 5, 4.5, 3.5. So I have to take 5 two times. So I will make one place over here where I can put this length as the largest length is 5. Then also I need is 4.5. Also I needed was 4. Okay. Then I needed even 3.5. So I'll keep this in my mind. So I've constructed AB as 4. See, this AB is constructed here as 4. Now AC is 5. So from A to C I have to take 5. So already I know this is 5. So I will take this larger length, isn't it? This is 5. I will check it with the, this is 5 I think. So this is 5. Alright. You can use a scale also if you want. If you have missed this trick, then just go with the scale. And this is 5. Then from B also you have to go with 5. Okay. So now I get the triangle ABC. You need to join if you want. Now I have to take CD as 4.5. CD is 4.5. Let me take CD as 4.5. So this is C where these 2 points meet. So CD 4.5 and AD will be 3.5. So I'll join all these points and we make the required quadrilateral. If you want to keep it neat, you can give your, and this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter. Now normally they ask you steps of construction, which I don't know why they ask, but you can write we take AB as 4 centimeter, then from A we take an arc 5 centimeter, and from B we take an arc 5 centimeter. They meet at C. From C we make an arc of 4.5 on the other side of B, and from A we take an arc of 3.5. So ABCD is our required quadrilateral. So this is the first step.